today. Hoy, hoy mismo. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be an expression. A Spanish expression. The Spanish expression of the day is hoy mismo. Hoy mismo. This means today. So what's the difference between hoy and hoy mismo? Hoy mismo is used to emphasize that something has to happen today or will happen today. Hoy mismo. So it happens today. Tomorrow is not good. Today. Hoy. Hoy mismo. Hoy mismo can go in the beginning of the sentence, in the middle, or at the end. Hoy mismo is commonly used, so this is a key expression to learn. Now let's see a few examples using hoy mismo. Me voy de viaje hoy mismo. Me voy de viaje hoy mismo. Hazlo hoy mismo. Hazlo hoy mismo. Termina el trabajo hoy mismo. Termina el trabajo hoy mismo. Not tomorrow, but today. Voy a empezar a hacer ejercicio hoy mismo. Voy a empezar a hacer ejercicio hoy mismo. Hoy mismo voy a ver la película. Hoy mismo voy a ver la película. Iré a la tienda hoy mismo para comprar comida. Iré a la tienda hoy mismo para comprar comida. Okay, that was the Spanish expression of the day. I hope you liked this video. Leave more examples down below using hoy mismo. Let me know if you have any questions about this expression as well. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!